morning children. Welcome back to your VEPS e-learning class children. As you all know that yesterday I have completed your half of the exercises of the poem The Snare of workbook. Today I am going to complete the rest of the exercise of your same chapter beta. So what you all have to do, you all have to fill it with the help of pencil only and don't use pen beta. Please don't make the writing untidy using pens. I am again requesting, please use pencils to fill the book and properly write it in a clear handwriting, and spelling should be correct. So check it again and again that you have written correct or not. Okay students, and after that you can read it properly and send it to the class groups. Okay students, and you have to learn this chapter also properly, revise the exercises, and if you feel any problem you can ask me in the class group or personally also children. So let's begin with the exercise beta.
Morning children, as you all know that yesterday I have completed up to this exercise. Today I am going to introduce you about countries and people. Fill in the blanks with the names of countries. An Indian comes from India. You all know it very well, na? A German comes from Germany. An Italian comes from Italy. A Malaysian comes from Malaysia. A Russian comes from Russia. An American comes from America. An Egyptian comes from Egypt. A Welshman comes from United Kingdom. United Kingdom. Come to the next exercise. In which book will you find out where these countries are? It is, answer is Atlas. Take a good look at a rupee 10. The words 10 rupees are written in many languages. Can you write the names of the all languages written on the note? There many of the languages are given. I can write many of them in this, which are written on the rupee. That is Marathi, Hindi, Malayalam, Sanskrit, Udiya, Kashmiri, Tamil, Assamese, Gujarati, Punjabi, Urdu, Bengali, Telugu, and Kannada. These are all the languages which is written on the 10 rupee note, and in many of the languages we have selected that we are see in the written note of 10 rupee note. Okay children, so come to the next. Find the rhyming words for the following. Remember that the spelling can be quite different, the sound must be the same. Means spelling is different, but when we pronounce it in a hurry it will be same. Like hand, land, cut, shut, coat, boat, lie, die, trick, kick, same, aim, kite, bite, great, eight, did, lid, me, see, slit, fit, man, pan, dress, stress, curl, girl, please, seize, slum, come, queen, bean, hills, drill, pear, deer, brown, town, stock, block, come, bum, say, hey, healed, field. Okay children, you all have to complete up to this in your English literature workbook children. Okay children, and use only pencil, don't use pen, and write in a neat and clean handwriting, and check it again that you have written the same and the spellings are correct or not. And your homework is to revise all the exercises of this book, of this chapter, the snare. Okay beta, thank you.